Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to install Psych Engine 0.6.3 on iOS and to make it work. So what you want to do is you want to search up, there are a lot of Psych engines, but go to, oh shoot, Psych, so what I'm going to do, since I already have it installed, I'm going to take this, copy it. Do I put it in my drive though? Oh. We're just gonna paste here. Okay. Once I do that, I'm good to delete the app and then documents. Fine. Anyways, go back to YouTube. Psych Engine 0.63 IPS for iOS. Scroll down. This YouTuber has the thing.
Oh, hi.
In the comments.
I'm a power blackout. I'm gonna take your power and severely inconvenience you.
But there is a process to make it work, or else it doesn't. So you're gonna come here, copy the link, go to your browser. You're gonna press this, download this, then go to a sideloading app like Scarlet or ksign v3 or whatever. I don't care. Library plus import from files. You're gonna want to go to wherever you have it saved. I think I have it saved here. Yeah, I think Dorito-psych.apa. Hold on, let me delete the app actually. So why isn't it? Okay. So boom. So go back into your it's laggy. Go to here, press sign and install. Start signing. Then it's just press install. It's gonna send the payload. I don't think it should be taking that long for it to work. That's not good. Oh, there we go. Completed. So it's... Oh, there it is. Popped up. Now it should be downloading. Also, if you have more than one psych engine, what I recommend you do is... Oh, God, it's laggy. Real laggy. So... just go into Psych Engine, put a random file there, and just name what it is. So Psych Engine 1.0.4, Psych Engine 0.73, and it should be done. So you go in, and it will not work. Or at least I don't think it'll work. Yep, Since the animation's idle, it won't work. Just press A, and it'll kick you out. So if you go to files, there should be... Oh, no. That's not good. There's not a new one. That's not good. Oh, and I deleted it, which means I have to... Actually, wait, no, it doesn't even matter. I wonder where it is. But there will be... a Friday Night Funkin' engine thing. Maybe it's because I removed it, actually. I don't know. 30 minutes of trying to figure this out later. Why the hell are you still here? I wish there was a way to fix you. For mods that actually work. But no, you just decide to be stupid. Or wait. Mods. Yes! It generates it! Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So, okay. Whoo! Dorito psych. That's actually not gonna work. We're gonna wanna go here. Ksign. You're gonna wanna go to assets. You're gonna wanna go to move. Oh, let's fucking go, dude. Okay, here. Then you're gonna wanna go into files. Go to assets. Assets mods. Then you're gonna wanna let's go. And you're gonna wanna go here, here, here. Just basically move them. But the stupid little thing. Which one is it? Okay. Then we're gonna go here. Then just name it assets. Assets. Did I just get rid of my blue ball thing? For mods, just do welcome home cycles at this point. See if that even works. Go here, go here, go here, all the way down to the bottom. Paste. Shut up. Actually, we have to test if this works. You have to be fucking kidding me. Do you seriously not work? Oh. Wait, what? Data application bf.json. What is that? Wait. Did I just get rid of the asset? Wait, no, it's mods list. There's no way I need the... I don't know what to do. Low key, like an hour later. Jesus, this sucks. Whoa! Oh!
Getting freaky on a Friday night yet.
Yo! Y'all will never see me so happy. The delaying combo? I fucking hate you. Oh my god.
Getting freaky on a Friday night yet. Getting freaky on a Friday night yet. Getting freaky, think you got what it takes.
Yo. I'm actually so happy that worked. Y'all low-key don't know the struggle. Whew. This works? Yes. And we go here, right? And we're here. Wait, no. I hope this menu works. The hell you mean?
Getting freaky on a Friday night yet.
Oh, okay. It works. Stop. Why the hell did I just press C? No. Please don't. What? I don't care about the stupid little chart. Maybe someday when I learn how to actually do this. But no. Free play. Welcome home. Home indeed. Now please work. I'm joking. There's nothing there, it's black. On my Android, I did see that the psych engine port of Sonic worked. Maybe. Oh yeah, and also deleted that one thing for Blue Ball V2, so I'll try and see if that works. But oh my god, it worked. It worked, chat. Oh! I just wait till this gets like 1 view. Just wait till this becomes my only viable.
Getting freaky on a Friday night yet.
Just wait till this becomes my only viable. I hate you. Oh, thriller. I'm gonna go down. I hate you. This is what happened last time. This is what happened last time when I tried to do this on my river. Because I mistakenly downloaded it to 1.17. And this is exactly what happened. Curious. You don't work it. What? What? How the hell did I get 11 missions? That's a bolt. I completed your stupid little thriller gen games. Now please, let me play Trinity. Please. What does that even mean? Majin window glitch thing? Why are you in the corner, bro? It's not that serious. Oh yeah, y'all want to know the cool thing? You know what? We'll move you back into here. But get in there, please. Then take 6-3. Put you all the way back there, just because. So now we're gonna be comparing the. At least the modded version of mine is better, because at least I could just miss a. Huh, isn't that right? At least I can mix a few notes and it just kills me. With my health drain or whatever. We're gonna be comparing best song in the week. I'm joking, by the way, but.
Whip it. Twist.
Hey, what? This sounds like a chart. Hey, that's not a damn chart. This is normal mode.
Whip it. Twist.
0.73. I need 1.1. If y'all could put that IPA in the description. But yeah, I'm serious, by the way. If there even is an IPA.
3, 2, 1,
But
go!
Whip it. Twist.
that's 0.73. Now we go 1. We go into the big boys. Blue balls. This port was released like 2 days ago, and I got it today. I got all these today. 0.63, Kate engine, 1.1, 0.73. Had for a while though. Hey, my boys Fort's hard. It's like oh, this part I always get. I always miss it. That's so unfair. Whoa! I mean, yeah, it has all the songs though, including that's not hard mode.
Whip it. Twist.
Come on, get down.
see, chat. Oh, I forgot to do this.